Flavor tonight just celebrated his 4-year-old adopted son, wey just turned 15 years old. Korede let us still come out to tell us the secret of his own success. My people, shockalize me, oh hey. Funke Akindele just got herself a brand new car, and Messi AK just saved a girl from dying. My people, now welcome back again to my channel. How are you? Hope na this sweet as for me. I beg you that today na the very first day you hear this voice. May you not forget to subscribe and click on the notification icon. Maybe say anytime I upload a new video, it go come ring for your ear. Bagam bagam na so you go come watch am. So my people, Flavor, where una know where they sing all these, danceable songs, all these high life song, right? The kind of song Flavor they sing. And I know say he gets adopted song, and the reason why I talk say this boy now his 4-year-old son now because say now 4 years now where Flavor and this boy don't they get this father and papa relationship. Flavor adopted this boy in the year 2017. And the reason why Flavor adopt this boy now because say this boy no get papa. He na from Liberia and he na singer. Before he met Flavor, the boy dey just dey sing on his own, but no be like say na person people know, no. But he get very good talent, but this guy cannot sing. So he sabi sing Flavor songs, almost all the songs. Now he make the thing just capture Flavor's heart. The time when he say Flavor go for Liberia for show, come meet this boy. Flavor just dey shocked like this, and with his condition, Flavor just adopt this boy. So if you look at this video now, go know say the love dey too high, as in the love with this boy and Flavor get for this boy, he dey too high. Let's say he dey plan make him, make them give him eye surgery, make the boy still dey okay. I pray say baby God make that one make it happen. So my people, make una move on to this our beautiful handsome singer Korede. He comes to come and talk something to my people. When he talk I reason the thing just sound like truth. So it sound like say good and wonder. Make I just allow them make una hear what he want talk.
This life, try find. We say I not tell you. See, there's something they call find people privilege, but they don't used to tell us. Try find, even if you don't find, feel fine.
My people, now don't hear and if now look how fine be, just be like saying true, be like saying the thing they work for and you don't feel concerned and because they share us the secret. I tell them I say, the thing makes sense, so be like saying true. What's on that think I beg? So this beautiful car we on the scene, a beautiful car of Funke Akindele. People call they ask where they see this money, but una know say this babe Funke Akindele say she na very good hustler, as in nobody go feel, as in people know still they no supposed to they ask her where she they see this money because the babe na hard work and then she they work hard, as in she they work hard. Now they see the evidence everywhere. So they gonna type congratulations to her. So my people, this video one that they see now Messi AK, they could just watch the video first.
They hit him now, they touch him, they touched him. Hey, they touch Rolls Royce. He managed to escape. And if he see person, they for kill the person because he was. You see how him carry person die. I'm not sure anybody. They've already heard him. Someone is down over. Oh my God! Oh my stop! Come! That better from side. They should just say that. They hit him now. They touch him. They touched him. Hey, they touched.
My people, I don't watch the video, so according to the video, they talk say this pikin now, say him and papa just they go na sort of one speeding car like this, can't lose control, can't jam them na sort of they hear say the papa of this girl say it's RIP on set, and the girl said can't be unconscious. Now sort of this good man they just carry the girl, they rush make him feel carry the girl, it's a car where they rush and go hospital. Fortunately for her, for the little girl, Messi can see Messi maybe say he witnessed when the accident happened. He just rushly, take care of the girl, they carry and go hospital. So right now this girl, she's doing very okay. For inside hospital she not die because she did unconscious when Messi carry her. So this one just make me see this Messi AK. I don't say the way people say they criticize her. If I don't know Messi AK, now she be the winner of Big Brother Nigeria 2019. Ever since then, she just be like celeb for internet. So people just they yarn a lot of time. So but last we know say in this life, what's matter now humanity. So she don't show that humanity and we thank God say she was able to be there to save this little girl, because it's, for this our Nigeria, I would be say if person they die like this, you rush the person go hospital. The hospital not go even consider say person they die. They go first they ask you say make you bring your money, So people go call the fear now say they no go carry anybody will be say they day for that kind of situation. They no go carry the person go because they know how the money where they go fee fee pay for the police for the hospital. So this as Messi carry the baby, she can't pay everything. No. So may Baba God really bless her. She really tried. Because the driver will be say he hit this pikin and the papa he even run come out to leave them run away. So thank God for Messi. My people, alright, make I just end this gist here. I go see you for my next time. Thank you guys for watching. And I know say I love you so much. Make una not forget say una go share. Alright, I go see you next time. Bye bye yo.
Let it go.